Hey guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So recently I uploaded a video on dhoti sari drape and you all enjoyed watching that video. Not just the drape but also the makeup look that I created in that video, and I received so many requests for that particular makeup tutorial, which was a dramatic Kajal Glam makeup look. And truly speaking, it was all about the dramatic eyes, which was making the entire look more sultry and sexy. And according to me, this look is just perfect for days when you want to wear some indo-western stuffs, or on the days when you want to kill with your eyes. So I am not a pro at makeup. First of all, let me add that I'm not a pro at makeup, but when I received so many requests all together, which made me excited to create that look again. So if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please comment down more video requests and subscribe to this channel. Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, wash your hands properly, need of this hour, and we'll start with the moisturizing of the face. And for that, I'll be using this L'Oreal Paris Micro Essence Vital Lift Serum. Now it's time for the foundation, and for that I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Nude Beige. And I'll be using this blender for blending. To set the makeup, I'll be using this Lakme Rose Powder. Now this entire look is all about creating drama with your eyes. So we'll start with the eye makeup, and for that I'll begin with filling in my brows, and for that I'll be using this Maybelline New York the Nudes palette, and we'll be filling in the brows and then I'll brush it. So we are done with the eyebrow part, and it has to look really strong and prominent. Now it's time for the application of kajal, and for that I'll be using Maybelline Colossal Kajal. You have to go really dark with the kajal, not just to your lower waterline but also onto your upper lash line, just a thin line. Now using a smudger, I'll smudge it out. Now using the same Maybelline New York the Nudes palette, I'll be picking up the shade Black, and that will add a little more drama to the look. Now taking the brown eyeshadow from the Nudes palette, I'll be filling in around the crease to create this very neat and smooth transition. And also I'll line my lower waterline, lower lash line, ताकि वो बहुत transition बहुत blended लगे और बहुत neat लगे. Overall eye makeup seamless लगेगा. Now topping off with this nude glitter eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. This one is in shade Nude Cover. I'll simply use my fingers here. Now it's time for my favorite part, mascara. For that, I'll be using Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. 2-3 generous coats of it would make this entire look more glam and dramatic. And as you can see, we are completely done with the eye makeup. Now for the blush, I'll be using this Maybelline New York blush in the shade Peachy Sweetie. For highlighting, I'll be using my current favorite Maybelline New York Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And now the final part, lipstick. And for that, I'll be mixing two different shades from Maybelline New York, the Creamy Mattes, and the shades are Nude Nuance and Cosmopolitan Red, since I want the lip color to be extremely dense but not a vibrant red, but somewhere around maroonish red. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. And if you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please comment down आपको ये look कैसा लगा और भी video ideas and follow me on Instagram and also please subscribe to this channel. I प्यार you guys. Bye bye.